Welcome back to day 2 Selenium, day 2 manual testing live project training. Am I audible, guys? Everyone, you have the chat option. Please give me confirmation message in chat box whether I am audible or not. Good, good. Fine. Last class we discussed about introduction part of software testing, such as what is software testing, how many how many types of testing? What about the testing engineer career? These kind of things we discussed in the last class. Once again, everyone, software testing, how many ways? Software testing, two ways. One is manual testing. Second one is automation testing. Everyone, once again, software testing, how many ways? Software testing, two ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. Let me show that. Let me show diagram here. Manual testing, automation testing. Let me show one small diagram. If you understand the diagram, then easily can understand what is manual testing and what is automation testing. In manual testing, testing engineer testing on application by human, testing engineer testing on application. Manual testing also testing engineer required. Automation testing also testing engineer required. Manual testing also testing engineer required. And as well as automation testing also testing engineer required. But the difference is manual testing engineer, everyone, manual testing engineer testing an application. Testing what? Application without any help. Testing an application without any help, only by human interactions, nothing but call as manual testing. Nothing but call as what type of testing? Manual testing. And testing engineer by the help of tools and softwares. By the help of what to what? Tools and software. Nothing but call as automation testing. Once again, everyone, software testing, how many ways? Two ways, manual testing and automation testing. Testing engineer testing an application without any help, only by human interactions, are called manual testing. Yes, only by human interactions are called manual testing. By the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Understand my point up to here? Everyone, please give one confirmation. My voice audible or not? I'm getting some messages not audible like that. That's what I'm asking. Okay, good. Once again, software testing two ways, manual testing and as well as Automation testing. What is mean by manual testing? Testing engineer testing on application without any help, only by human interactions, are called manual testing. Only by human interactions are called manual testing. By the help of tools and softwares, nothing but call as automation testing. What are the automation tools available in the market? Selenium. Yes, Selenium is a automation tool. Tosca is a automation tool. Yes, Selenium is a automation tool, and as well as Tosca is a automation tool. But any project, first we have to start with manual, then we can go to automation testing. Once again, first we have to start with what? Manual, then we can go to automation testing like a Selenium. Yes, automation testing like a what? Selenium. I hope you understood up to here. And now we are discussing about SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Everyone, once again, SDLC stands for what to what? Software Development Life Cycle. Either small size project or big size project, any company to develop the application, they have to follow step-by-step activities. The step-by-step activities nothing but call as SDLC. Once again, everyone, either small size project or big size project, any company to develop the application, they have to follow SDLC. So let me explain about SDLC. Maybe in your BTech and MCA already you learn about the SDLC, but that will be different as a subject. This one will be different as a the real-time implementation. Got it my point up to here? Everyone. Fine. Now I'll show you with diagrams. Just try to understand my screen. I'll show you diagram. Okay. See, the first of all, software bidding. What is mean by the software bidding? Our company CEO. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. CEO go to client side, confirm the project. One small example, we are all are working in one company. We are all are working in one company. ICICI Bank, they're looking for mobile app development. ICICI Bank, they're looking for what? Mobile app development. Now, yes, ICICI Bank, they're looking for what? Mobile app development. From our company, CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Everyone, CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and as well as corresponding client. So once let me show the diagram. See this once again. Software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Understand guys my point up to here? Yes. Software bidding, CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next one, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by CEO to select project manager. Once again, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. So try to understand what is mean by, everyone try to understand what is mean by kickoff meeting. Once project manager got selected, he will prepare information note or information mail. What kind of what is the purpose of this meeting? Without project manager we're not able to implement the project. To select the project manager, they conduct one meeting. The meeting nothing but call as kickoff meeting. The meeting nothing but call as what? Kickoff meeting. Who are conduct kickoff meeting? CEO to select project manager. CEO to select what? Project manager. Third one, project initiation. Project initiation note or information note which is prepared by project manager. Once again guys, the third one, project initiation note or information note which is prepared by project manager. Once again, the first of all, software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next one, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by CEO to select project manager. Once again, kickoff meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. You know, in our company, how many project managers are there? They will conduct a meeting with all project managers. In our company, how many project managers are there? They'll conduct a meeting with all project managers. The meeting nothing but call as kickoff meeting. And then I have one doubt. This is meeting will be conducting by the CEO. Purpose of this meeting to select the project manager na. Then why it is called kickoff meeting? They can call simply meeting na. Any kind of startup meeting can be called kickoff meeting. It is a startup meeting. That's what it is called, what? Kickoff meeting. Once again, project initiation note or information note which is prepared by project manager. Once again, project initiation note or information note which is prepared by project manager, which is prepared by project manager. I hope you understood guys up to here. Like project manager will prepare information note or document. What kind of note? Who is the client? What is the project? Everyone, who is the client? What is the project? What is the duration? The information nothing but call as project initiation note, which is prepared by project manager. I hope you understood guys, three phases. Once again, the first phase, software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Next phase, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. Third one, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by project manager. It contains just information of current project. It contains what? Information of current project. Next, requirement gathering. What is mean by the requirement? First of all, what is mean by the requirement? Nothing but customer needs. See, I want to buy one mobile. I'm going to mobile showroom. I want to buy one mobile. I'm going to mobile showroom. I'm going to mobile showroom. I have to explain my requirement, right? What is my budget? I mean, what is the brand required? What are the features I'm looking? If I explain my requirement as per that, they can show some sample piece, right? They can show some dummy piece. Same like that. Requirement gathering. Everyone who are collecting requirements, business analyst and system analyst will collect the requirements from the customer, prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and as well as SRS. BRS and as well as what? SRS. Once again, requirement gathering. Everyone, requirement gathering. So requirement gathering by who are collecting the requirement? Business analyst and system analyst. Prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. Why two documents? First they will collect requirements from the customer, enter the requirements prepared as a BRS. They will collect requirements from the customer and the requirements prepared as a BRS and as well as SRS. You know, BRS contains enter the project requirement, right? BRS contains enter the project requirement. From the BRS, they will divide, development requirement separately as a development SRS. Testing requirement separately as a testing SRS. Hardware requirement separately as a hardware SRS. Like that, based on what BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. Everyone, once again, requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst. I mean, business analyst and as well as system analyst. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. For entire the project, one requirement document is called BRS. Based on BRS, number of number of SRS documents will be there. For what? From the BRS, they will divide separate requirement as, development requirement as development SRS. From BRS, they will divide testing requirement as testing SRS. From BRS, they will divide hardware requirement as hardware SRS, like that. Based on one BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. Number of SRS documents will be there. One question I'm asking, as a testing engineer, to understand the project requirement, as a testing engineer to understand the project requirement, what type of document you have to analyze, such as BRS and SRS, such as BRS and SRS. I need your answer. Yes, very good. Every software engineer analyzing SRS only. Every software engineer analyzing what? SRS only. Yes, every software engineer analyzing what? SRS only. Next, once requirements are ready, everyone start analyzing requirements. Everyone start what? Analyzing requirements. Analyzing requirements means nothing but understanding requirement. Without understanding requirement, they're not able to work on any project. Once again, first of all, software bidding, CEO will confirm the project, kickoff meeting, purpose to select the project manager. Next, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by project manager. Requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst will collect the requirement. Next, project plan. Let me write. project plan. So plan will be prepared by project manager. Everyone, plan will be prepared by what? Project manager. Here, project manager will decide how many team members required for this project, what is the role, what is the responsibility, what is the technology they have to use, what is the technology they have to use, and the step-by-step information nothing but comes into step-by-step information nothing but comes into project plan. Once again, project plan will be prepared by project manager. Project plan will be prepared by who will prepare that? Project manager. And after, everyone, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Once again, based on the requirement, plan will be, excuse me, plan will be prepared by project manager. After, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Everyone, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Two types of design such as high level design and low level design. What is mean by the high level design? What is mean by the low level design? In the project, how many pages and how many modules information nothing but comes into high level design. Every module, what are the step-by-step requirement nothing but comes into low level design. So let me show that. See, for example, I'll open the Mercury Travels. Here, in this project, login page required, register page required, holidays required, flights required, hotels required. Everything comes into high level design. Everything comes into what? High level design. Now, what about low level? Login contains email ID, password, login, like that. The step-by-step information, nothing but comes into low level design. Got it my point? Everyone, once again, outlook of the project requirement is called high level design, and the step-by-step requirement, nothing but comes into what? Low level design. Low level design. So design done by architect team or technical team. One question, one small question. Design, is it important or optional? Designing for the application development. Designing, is it important or optional? 100% important. Small example. One building construction is going on. Building construction is going on. I am the builder. Before start the construction, before start construction, first of all, definitely design required. Based on design only, based on design only, builder can start construction. Design means what kind of facing, east facing or west facing. Yes, east facing or west facing. And yes, east facing or west facing. And what is a front end design? And the step-by-step information, nothing but comes into design. Once again, design done by architect team. Design done by architect team or technical team. Two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. After the design, next one, coding. Coding done by programmer. How? By using different technology such as Java, Python, .NET, nothing but C Sharp, Ruby, like that. By using different technology, programmer start writing the coding, start writing the coding. Programmer start writing the coding. Once again, first of all, software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Next one, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. Third one, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by the project manager. And requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst will prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. After plan will be prepared by project manager, design done by architect team or technical team, coding done by programmer. So by using different technologies such as Java, .NET, Python, Ruby, etc. Once coding is completed, everyone, once coding is completed, yes, once coding is completed, coding done by the programmer, and after testing. As per the subject, testing done by the programmer, but real time work different and subject different. Yes, real time, everyone. As per subject, what happened? After coding, testing engineer will test application. Everyone, after the coding, yes, after the coding, testing engineer will test application. But real time, what happened? Real time, after the coding, application, after the coding, application, before delivered to the customer, programmer also they will test the coding part. Everyone, first of all, after coding, what happened? After coding, what happened? First of all, programmer they will test coding part, which is called white box testing, with two levels. How many levels? With two levels, such as unit testing and as well as integration testing, such as what to what? Unit testing and as well as what? Integration testing. And after testing engineer job, black box testing, with two levels such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. System testing and as well as what? User acceptance testing. Once again, what is white box, what is black box? After completion of code, white box testing will be performed by programmer and black box testing will be performed by testing engineer and also called as QA. I'll show you one small example. It is a front end application, right? But developer to develop, they will write the back end code. Everyone, Mercury Travels, it is a front end application, but developer to develop this, they will write the back end code. They will write what? The backend code. Are you able to see backend code here? Are you able to see backend code? Programmer testing on coding part is called white box. As a testing engineer, after white box testing, we have to test a front end application is called black box. So our job nothing but comes into black box testing. Our job nothing but comes into what? Black box testing. Once again, don't confuse. What is mean by white box? What is mean by black box? What is mean by the white box? And what is mean by the black box? Programmer testing on coding part is called white box. Everyone, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. And after testing engineer testing on front-end application, nothing but call as black box testing. Nothing but call as what? Black box testing. What is mean by the white box and what is mean by the black box? Programmer after completion of code. Programmer after completion of code which is performed by the programmer is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front-end application is called black box. Our job comes into black box testing. And after everyone, and after application release to customer, and everyone application release to customer. After release to customer, if customer facing any problem, then we can provide support and maintenance. I mean, after delivered to customer, during utilization, if customer facing any problem, which is called failure. Everyone, after the design, coding, coding done by programmer, after our job, black box. Unit testing, integration testing comes into the white box. System testing and user acceptance testing comes into black box. Finally, application release to customer. After release to customer, if customer facing any problem, which is called everyone after release to customer, if customer facing any problem, which is called support and maintenance. After delivered to customer, if customer facing any problem, which is called what? Support and as well as maintenance. Understand my point up to here? But SDLC, if you want to become a software engineer, definitely you have to understand about this. Definitely you have to understand. Once again, Outlook I'll give you just a focus. First of all, software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. Next, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by the project manager. Requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst will prepare two types of requirement gathering such as BRS and SRS. After plan will be prepared by the project manager, design done by the architect, coding done by the programmer, coding done by programmer, and two types of design, high level design, low level design, coding after plan and design done by programmer, then sorry, design done by architect, coding done by programmer, and programmer also testing on coding part is called white box. Everyone, programmer also testing on coding part is called, yes, programmer also testing on coding part is called white box. Yes, and testing engineer testing on front end application is called black box. Is called what? Black box testing. And after application release to customer, and if customer facing any problem, then we have to provide support and maintenance. We have to provide what to what? Support and maintenance. Everyone can ask questions from SDLC. I want answer, but this is 100% free classes. I'm not asking any fees, but I want your reply. Your reply is my fees. Your reply will create the more energy for me. So that will create more satisfaction whether you're understanding or not. Even if you not understand, transparently give me the answer as I'm not understand. Okay. First of all, first question. SDLC stands for what? Everyone, SDLC stands for what? Yes, software development lifecycle. Very good. First of all, uh, requirement gathering by business analyst and system analyst. Two types of requirement documents, such as what to what. Two types of requirement documents, such as what to what. Yes, BRS and SRS. Next, design. Two types of design documents. What are the names? Two types of design documents. Yes, such as BRS and no, high level design and low level design. Very good. High level design and low level design. Next, everyone. Next one. What is programmer testing? Programmer testing is called programmer testing is called yes, white box. Testing engineer testing is called testing engineer testing is called yes, black box testing. Everyone, as a testing engineer to perform black box testing, is there any coding skills required? Is there any coding skills required? No, not required. As a testing engineer, to test on front-end application coding skills not required. Last question. Last question. We have to test on back-end code or front-end application. Very good. Fine. And I told you guys yesterday, everyone, I told you yesterday, like what benefits we will get. I hope you understood that. No need to explain again. I thought just 1 minute I'll open that. everyone. This is the benefits what you can get, manual testing. It is a 100%, yes, manual testing, 100% live project training, and you know, don't expect the basic knowledge. 100% you can learn to keep experience. That much you can learn. That much you can learn, and 30 days of classes every day, 1 hour class, Monday to Saturday. Excuse me. And every week I'll conduct the mock interview and I'll give you the notes and interview questions and I'll help you. But notes, I told you yesterday, they will charge the basic amount, 300 rupees or 400 rupees, something else. Because the notes, why they're charging the 300, 400, only one thing. Here the thing is, they are giving the access of GoToMeeting or WebEx. Those are chargeable. Those are chargeable. That's what very basic amount they're charging for the notes. That is also optional. If you want to take the notes, you can take the notes, or else not required for that. Clear this one? Who are taking the notes? Those students will get the note certificate also, course complete certificate also. So please ping me if you have any questions and doubts every day after class. I'll wait some time. Smruti, notes, not that much. Smruti, once contact management properly, please. We can learn automation after 50% of manual testing is done. Yes, if you have career gap also, I'll help you for that. Tomorrow I'll share the notes link. No worry. Syllabus of automation testing. Please contact to management. High level design, low level design means nothing but high level design is a module wise, and every module step by step requirement nothing but comes into low level design. One, no worry. Tomorrow once again I'll explain that. Yes, who are taking the notes, they will get the certificate also. No issues. I'll help you. The PF things are everything. No worry. User acceptance testing will perform a business analyst Amrita. Tomorrow we can discuss that. Yes, after manual testing, then we can continue automation. But automation is paid, not free of classes. Sure, Jitish, you can search in that. Guys, day 1, day 2, day 3, YouTube also it's available. If you want, you can search day 1, day 2, day 3. OnlineITvidhya with the name, you can find out that. Yes, who are technically good, who are responding properly, we can try to give something placement also. Placement assistance we can provide. Yes, Deepa. Yes, Ramya. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We can continue tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all. See you tomorrow, same time, same link. And please share this link to your friends or your colleagues or your relatives because only this month this training in should provide the free training. Maybe next month onwards, I'm not sure whether they're providing or not. Please use this opportunity. Unnecessarily don't waste 10,000, 20,000 for manual testing. It's 100% free of cost. Please use this opportunity. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.